From the moment you begin your journey with Meal Prep Sunday, we want our service to be as easy and convenient as possible. We've designed our ordering process with this thought in mind, and have tried to make every step effortless for your convenience. When you start our meal prep service, the very first step is our fitness calculator. We have designed an algorithm that calculates the macros your body will need based on three things: your overall fitness goal, whether that be to lose weight, gain muscle, or just maintain your weight, your height, and your current weight. This allows us to understand where you're at on your journey and how we can best get you to your goal. For our service to be most effective, we do recommend using our 15 meal plan. That way you know every meal is helping you towards that goal, without having to stress over counting calories and getting the correct ingredients. However, we allow you to choose any amount of meals above 5 meals, whatever best fits your lifestyle. Our service will never have a contract or cancellation fee, allowing you full freedom over how long you choose to use our service. Once you have finished the fitness calculator and selected the amount of meals you would like to receive, we then allow you to enter your dietary restrictions, like allergies or any ingredients you do not like. Based on your restrictions, we only send meals from the weekly menu that fit within those restrictions. Starting a new diet is hard enough as it is. It should not be further complicated by getting meals you do not enjoy. Once your account is created, you are then signed up for meals to be delivered to your doorstep every single week with zero delivery fee. Our meals are prepared by a team of chefs who make everything from scratch using the freshest ingredients from local suppliers when possible. We only want to give you the freshest, healthiest ingredients, so we take our time to check that everything we get is of the highest quality. Every week, our menu changes with 15 separate meals: 5 breakfast meals, 5 lunch meals, and 5 dinner meals. The meals you receive will be portioned based on the information we collected from the fitness calculator. While most of our deliveries are on Sundays, we also offer a delivery Saturday evening, Monday, or Tuesday. Everyone has different schedules, so we want to be able to deliver your meals at the best time for you. Our dedicated delivery team is always sure to message you when they leave our facility and when they make the delivery by sending a picture. To ensure the meals are safe, they are packed using MAP technology, which seals out the oxygen and increases the shelf life of the meals. The meals come delivered in recyclable containers, and the bags and ice packs that we use are also recycled. Our drivers are sure to collect any old bags or ice packs you leave at your door so they can be disinfected and used again if they're in good condition. Now that your meals have been delivered, you store them in your refrigerator until you're ready to eat them. The most efficient way to prepare the meals is to remove the plastic film and microwave the meal for 2 to 4 minutes depending on the strength of your microwave. For the best tasting meals, we recommend using a skillet or pan and heat the meals up on the stovetop. This will bring out the most flavor in the meal and keep the fillets as juicy as possible. Thank you for ordering with us, and we can't wait to see the progress you make on your journey to better health.